The Agrarian Reform Agenda of President Rodrigo Duterte was centered on continuing and accelerating the implementation of land distribution and providing support services to beneficiaries. Here are the key points of his agrarian reform agenda. Continuation of land distribution. Duterte emphasized the full implementation of the comprehensive agrarian reform program, with a focus on distributing the remaining undistributed lands, especially in Mindanao and conflict-affected areas. Ipinunto ni Duterte ang kahalagahan ng ganap na pagpapatupad ng CARP, lalo na ang pamamahagi ng lupaing hindi pa na ipamamahagi, particular na sa Mindanao. Free land distribution. He declared that land given to agrarian reform beneficiaries should be distributed for free, arguing that farmers should not have to pay for land that was taken from landlords under agrarian reform. Support services for farmers. Duterte pushed for enhanced support services for ARVs or agrarian reform beneficiaries, such as farm-to-market roads, irrigation, credit facilities, farm equipment, and training. Agrarian justice. The administration aimed to fast-track the resolution of agrarian-related legal cases, both judicial and administrative, to give farmers better access to justice. Executive Order Number 75, 2019. This order directed all government agencies to identify and turn over idle public lands for distribution to landless farmers. It expanded the potential land pool for agrarian reform beyond privately owned land. Moratorium on land conversion. Called for a temporary ban on converting agricultural lands for non-agricultural use to preserve food security and protect farmers' rights.